Welcome to Addicted2CarpFishing89. You join me back at my local club lake today. Quick day session. I'm in a totally different swim to what I fish normally. Got some new bait with DNA switch, glugged in the S7. That's been glugging for a little while. Got both the rods out. They went out first time, lovely. Pouch full of bait over each rod. Just fishing for a bite this time of year. A bite at a time. That's how we fish. If we have no action, we're going to move. It's always important to stay mobile. Make the most out of your day. Let's see what happens. So nothing's happened as of yet. The wind's starting to pick up and it's quite fresh. I've not seen nothing to go on. I'm thinking about reeling in and going for a walk around the lake to see if I can see anything. So I reckon I'm going to pack up the rods in the next 5-10 minutes, get myself on a barrow and go for a walk around the lake. Rods in the water now. Got my net there just in case. My stuff on the barrow. Couple more minutes and then it's time to walk around. See if we can see anything. Now, got the rods out. Got one rod just over to like there. Nice clear patch. There used to be a snag there. But it does me a bite now and then. And then also just on the edge of these lily pads, my 360 rig. My left hand rod's on the multi-rig. Some little PVA bags of the DNA switch with the S7. Smells lovely. But yeah, just gotta wait and see what happens now. Hopefully we'll get a bite. Nice December carp. It's just nice to be out on the bank. Been really quiet in this swim. It's definitely time for a move. Nothing's happened. No bubbles, nothing. This time of year it will be harder. But as long as you just keep moving until you can find the fish, then there's not much you can do other than that. But yeah, just the rods. The barrow's all ready almost. Just got to bring in the rods. And then I'm going to go for a walk quickly and see what I can see. Join me back when we found somewhere else. So I'm back where I started. Last time I fished here, I saw a fish show in the afternoon. So that's why I first started here. And why I've come back. And obviously I put bait in earlier as well. I'm fishing the rods exactly the same places. Just under the tree over there. And just out in front, over there. The multi-rig with an S7 white pop-up DNA baits. And the Tutti Frutti mainline orange one on the 360 rig. If you see anything in front of us, then we'll have to move on it. The water temperature's dropped a lot now, so the fishing is slowing down. The metabolism of the carp is slowing down with the water temperature as well. So that's why it's really important to try and locate the fish. We'll see what happens in here. Keep watching the water like a hawk. Let's see what happens. Update, I just had a take on the right hand rod. That's the multi-rig. Unfortunately, it come off. It is barbless here. That's not my excuse. But at least we know we've got things right. Just got the rod back out. Another pouch of bait over the top. Just gotta wait and see. Hopefully, we might not have scared off anything. Hopefully we can nick another chance. Let's see what happens. Had another occurrence on my right hand rod. I am fishing my rod tips fairly low in the water. My line should be laying quite low. But I'm getting quite a lot of liners. It's not long after I put the rod back out really. But obviously that's a good sign, there's fish, it's activity. Let's just hope we can hook up one. I've moved my left hand rod out to where my right hand rod is, or was, which is there. Now my right hand rod is over here. They're both on the multi-rig on whites, because that's what I had that take on. I started fishing a 360 rig now. Got a little bit of bait over the rods. Just waiting now. See if we can get a December bite. Fingers crossed. Frustrating when you lose a fish. Especially this time of year as well. I was so happy to hear my alarm go. Struck into it, it was on for a little while. Was playing it. And then it all just went slack. And I was like, no. It's always gutting. But at least we know the fish are here maybe. I'm pretty sure they are. Just gotta get things to settle down, because I've only just redone the rods about 5 minutes ago. But yeah, I don't know. Fishing's fishing and losing fish is fishing, isn't it? But let's see what happens. Still not a lot's happening. It's gone quiet after that take. I'm happy with both the rods. They went down with a nice thud. Not really got much longer left. It'd be really, really good if we could get a bite. Sun's now setting. As long as them rods are in the water, we can still nick a bite. Reel in both my rods, and then this one went off, resulting in this one. Nice winter December common, £16. Happy days. Show you the other side. It's still quite lively. There we go. Nice December common. Fell victim to the DNA S7. Happy days. So we're now going to let this one go. Beautiful sunset, absolutely lovely. A lovely December common. On the new bait, the DNA, switch and S7 white pop-up. Happy days. Look at that sunset. If you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. And yeah, tight lines and wet nets. See you next time.